Stop. Somebody has rightly said that readers are leaders. So when I listened to that thing, so it brought an wonderful impact upon me. So I was thinking to share this thing with you because I was reading a book yesterday only, and the name of that book is Robin Sharma. It is written by Robin Sharma, and the name of that book is The Leader Who You Had No Title. It is so beautiful book. If you want to develop yourself, please read this book. If you want to have an amazing impact in your life, the knowledge which you want but you are unable to get, please try reading this book. And believe me, and I am ensuring you, if you read this book, this is going to help you a lot in your self growth, self development. Please try reading that book, and if you do not know from where can we get or purchase this book, please comment me so that I can tell you the address so that you can bring out that book. And okay, let me tell you some more things about this book. This book has amazing content. This book has amazing lessons, and if you are trying to develop a habit of reading, you can read this book. If you are trying to implement a lot of the things, a lot of the knowledge, you can purchase this book. And one more thing, the most important thing, but it is so much common in the people who are rich, who are trying to become successful people. It is in common in their points of view. But what happens when we try thinking in that one manner? So we think that we are purchasing this book. No, we never purchase a book because we always invest our money in these kind of books. So our terminologies pertaining to these books are wrong. So that's why the wrong database is inside in our minds. So we have to change that. If we do not change that, our knowledge base would always be on a same level that we do not want in our life, because the knowledge, the database which we have in our mind actually is not going to take us anywhere substantially in our lives. So it is so very important that we invest our money in the good things. Many of the times what happens is that we try and we keep on buying impulsive things. What do I mean by impulsive buyings? Are those things like the things that we don't need but we still purchase that thing, and we end up by, what do we call, by spending a lot of the money to those kind of things that we don't even need completely, and we regret later by coming our home. So this should not happen. That this is the reason most of the people are in a category of mediocre. So if we have to change that, first of all we need to understand that we need investment in our lives. If we do not invest in our books, in our knowledge, the things in our programs, like there are many kinds of online programs are there, but we never invest our money to those. We always feel that what if the person is wrong, what if the course which I am going to take is wrong. So these kind of limiting beliefs is always there in our minds, which is right at some points of time, but somewhere or the other, sometime or other time, we have to take risk. Unless and until we take risk, we are not going to ahead in our life. And somebody has said rightly, not even somebody, the founder of Facebook has rightly said, the biggest risk of life is not to take any type of risk in our life. Yes, my dear friend, if you do not take any kind of risk, believe me, we are not going anywhere in our life. We can achieve basic things, basic needs in our life. Like what are our basic things? Please count me. First one is eating food, water, drinking, and these kind of things come in the category of basic needs. But what about those things that we want in our life? Like going outside of the India, visiting in aeroplane, and visiting in most of the profound places in our lives. But we are unable to go in these kind of things, in that kind of zone. And the reason we are unable to go is because we are unable to get out of the level that we have been stuck from the so many years, and we don't even think about these lines. So if you want to change your life, you will have to do something. Nobody is going to take you anywhere. No relatives, no of your friends. Some friends are right, but you will have to choose them. Friends are really very important in our lives, but you will have to find out some good friends, because everybody cannot be your good friend who will try to take you to the next level of your life, who will help you and support you in your journey. So it is so very important. And if you want some more self development things, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get good content from further. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me. And if you have any kind of questions or doubts, or if you feel that I have been stuck at the same level of my life from the so many months, you can ask me question. Or if you say, I can try calling you also, I can try talking to you also, if you feel that I need to talk. So thank you so much everybody. Let's meet some other day. Bye bye. Good day.